Good morning, everyone. We have Frank here from Granada Gold Mine, a Canadian company. Hi, Frank. Tell me a little bit about your company, please.
The company itself, the asset, is actually located on the Cadillac Trend. That's in northern Quebec. A former producer. We spent about $60 million drilling it, developed a maiden resource, about 2.6 million ounces open pitable. And now what we're doing is drilling it for high grade. And just recently put out some nice high grade results, about 15 meters at 8 grams a ton.
Okay, so these are your milestones. Are there more to come?
There's more to come. I think we'll try to develop it. We're looking at probably 1.5 to 2 million ounces underground, high grade, above 6 grams a ton.
And what is your background, if I may ask?
I'm a metallurgical engineer. All I do is gold. That's all I've ever done. And my wife's a geologist, so husband-wife team.
Okay. And what do you think, what's the most exciting thing about this company? Why should I invest in your company?
I think at the end of the day, we'll have a very large high-grade deposit. Just recently, another deposit in an area called Integra Gold got bought out by Eldorado for $600 million. We're not saying we'll have a high-grade deposit of that size, but it could be. Like, we only explored 20% of the structure, so we have a lot more to explore. We have about a 100,000-meter drill program outlined over the next 3 years.
And if we talk about financials, can you tell me a little bit more about your current cash position, for example?
Right now, we have under $1 million. Normally, we don't have very much money because we spend it on drilling.
How long does this last?
Well, when we really drill hard, we spend about $1.8 million a month. So normally what we do is we drill a little and we promote it. So we're still early stage, but I think probably starting the new year, you'll see the stock price go up. The price of gold maintains its momentum. And then, of course, we raise more money.
Okay. What are your thoughts about the gold price development in general?
I think the price of gold will probably move in the new year. I see it probably breaking 2,000 in the next 3 years. Potential is pretty good. I see silver doing much better, though, in that time frame.
And if I would be a potential investor in your company, what would you tell me? Why should I invest in your stock?
We as a family, we actually put a lot of money in ourselves. We buy the private placements. We have a history of doing quite well for our investors. If you look at our other companies, we usually have a 10-time increase in value. It doesn't mean that it will happen again, but in the last 2 companies we did, we basically increased the value of the company by 10 times in a very short time frame.
Okay, thank you very much, Frank. All the best for the future. Thank you.